Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you for joining me again for yet another CAD tutorial. Thank you again for my faithful followers, those of you who take the time to watch my videos, to comment, those who watch it and don't comment, those who don't watch it at all. But I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. You are appreciated. And without you, I would not want to even do these videos every Sunday without fail. So today I am going to be doing a technique that may not be original to, overall, but to me it is. I was trying to find something a little different to do. And I was looking at some pieces of this, I forgot what type of string this is, whether it's burlap, I don't know what it is, but, just those straw string looking things. And I had an idea to go ahead and make like those little circular mats with those and use them as a designing, piece for my for the top of my or my matted piece, right? So how I did that is very simple. You would just go ahead and do your first little circle, and I'm just going to like start it off so you can see what I did. So I started off this way. When you're doing, you just make sure you put the glue on the edges. And this takes a little time, but once you take your time about it, you will be fine. So I just kind of put the glue here. Then I rolled it onto it, and I just kept going until the entire thing was done. But as you're rolling it, just try to keep it flat. And once I was done, what I did was I just put it, under something heavy just so that it stays flat. So as you can see, it starts rolling, and just continue like this until you're done with the whole thing, and then you will end up with this. Okay, so it's not very difficult at all. So I'm going to set this aside. I'll continue to do it a little later, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using this with heat embossing. I did it, and then I'm wondering, okay, so how do I make this work? So this is what I will be doing. I'll be using VersaFine ink, and I'm going to go ahead and take my 65 pound 5 1/4 by 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 piece, and I'm going to go ahead and use VersaFine ink. Now I was messing around earlier, so I'm just going to flip this over. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of just make sure I get this all saturated. It doesn't have to necessarily be perfect in its saturation, but this is VersaFine ink, and I'm just going to go ahead and just get it on here. I'm not going to do this any specific, you know, anything. Just I'm just going to just get it put in different places, make sure it has on there, and then I will use um, the embossing powder to finish it off, and then to get the everything heated up. So hopefully it does work, and I don't mind if it doesn't work entirely how I anticipated or hoped it would, but at least it's a try. So it looks like something stayed on there. I don't usually like heat embossing, but I do it anyway from time to time. Okay guys, so I took out as much as I can. Let us go ahead and take the heating tool and see if that definitely works. If not, we will try plan B. Okay, so this is actually the design. So you can see it's kind of, like you see the rope pattern in there. I don't know if you can really see it. It's that rope pattern, but again, it's trying to get it, I may not necessarily get it perfected because I'm trying it for the first time. Let me just brush off some of this on there so I can, this is just powder Stach. Ooh, what a mess. Okay, so this would be the first one. Okay, now I'm going to do the other one, but this time I'm going to use oxide ink. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over because I already have this one. I'm going to just round it up like that, and then I'm going to start just pressing it on. You will be able to see the pattern better on this one. Now, as you can see, you can see the rope pattern in there is very nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that sorted out. Let's see, have some, just gonna just rub it some off on the hair. Now, if you want to add other colors, it's entirely up to you. So I'm just going to, okay guys, so here you have your pattern. It's really nice, just ropes, you know, just a rope pattern on there. It's really nice. See, but my fingers are all messy, so you do have to be careful with that, because that can actually mess up your work. So now we have two options. We have, you know, just plain and simple. So at this time, I'm going to go ahead and just, you know, get around the edges, in between, whatever I would like to do, just to, you know, finish it off. So with the gold one, I'm just going to use maybe a little bit of that, maybe green. Let's see. Use the green here, and just, you know, in light of Christmas, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to get that all done. Okay, so we have this. I have just added that little green to it, to the background, and we're going to leave this one as it is. And then we're going to adhere it to the CAD base, which is, I use 110-pound CAD stock, which I purchase from Michael's. Whenever there is a sale or a discount, I always take advantage of it. The last set of those that I got were actually buy one, get the other one 50% off. So if you're a Michael's shopper, I'm sure you take advantage of those opportunities. So now I'm going to go ahead and get this one adhered to the back of this, which is just going to be simple. Oops. Okay, let's get this stuck on here, and we shall be good to go. Any overage, we can always take care of that. Okay, I'm gonna get that folded up, and I'm going to use this and just get this smoothed out a little bit. So there is a little edge of red on there, which is perfectly fine, and that's the first one. I will go ahead and decorate it afterwards, and then I will post the final one as usual. With this one, let's go ahead and adhere this one on, and then we'll add all our sentiments and everything after. And then of course that too I shall be posting, so you can actually see the end results. But I just wanted to show you this, I call it the rope technique, you know, just for one of calling it the rope technique, but because I couldn't think of what else to call it. So, and here you have the two options for the rope technique. So thank you so much for watching today. Again, I will post the final results, and I shall see you guys next week. Be safe, and may you all be blessed. Bye-bye.